If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, the anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. This vehicle comes with a Carfax report, which reduces your buying risk by providing the vehicle's history before you purchase. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, a satellite radio, power steering. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Traction control, stability control. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.